Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen Chidetti. For those of you who are new, I can't even speak. For those of you who are new here, welcome. I live with my husband, Michael, and Esther. She's back there. We are going up the street now because I need to go to Big W, which I said I was going to do in my last video. Check it out. I didn't do it. And clean my car as well, but I don't think I'm going to have time to clean my car, but we'll see how we go. We're gonna go to Big W. I've got some stuff to get and I need to go to the shops and pick up some stuff for dinner as well. Michael has requested, he's not well, and I made him in the last video as well, this like anti-inflammatory like Kenyan like chicken curry full of like anti-inflammatories, so just and spices to help like flush everything. So check that out. I'm gonna go buy more stuff because he's requested it again for dinner, so I'm gonna go get the stuff to make it. But aside from that, we are literally just gonna get to Big W and get the things I need there, then go to the supermarket. It has some alterations that I need to drop off, and you know, I really do want to go clean my car, so maybe I'll do that as well. I don't know. I feel like we were going to go shopping and then drop it off to the cleaners at like the shops, so I might do that instead. I might just like organize the car and then this weekend go drop it in to the store for a clean. But yeah, let's get into it. So I'm back in the car after going into Big W, and I must say I'm impressed with their Christmas selection already. You guys know how much I love Christmas. If you know, you know. If not, go back and look at past videos because yeah, I love Christmas, and I know that it's early, but I think that it's really practical for people who need to be prepared for Christmas, especially in a time where like financials are so like tight due to like inflation and just COVID ruined everyone. So basically well, it impacted a lot of people. I should not say it ruined everyone, but it impacted a lot of people. And yeah, so basically I am one for bringing things out early so people have some more time to shop and save up or do whatever they need to do. And yeah, so I'm a big fan of that, so I got some footage of all that and I will insert it. But aside from that, I did a click and collect order for Woolies because I really have to pee, and I still have to pee now. I really got to drive home and pee because like I'm busting and I've got Esther with me. But yeah, that's mum life. So I did my order online, which I'll come back out and get it later. Saves me like getting the pram back out and like walking around again. So yeah, now I'm gonna go home and pee. I've been up the street, been to Big W, done all of that. I've come home and got ready for the day. I'm gonna go out to the gym, and I'm going to clean my car today as well because I did tell you guys I do Big W and clean my car, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then I think we'll just like maybe go for a walk with Esther. I don't know, we'll see what today brings, but I'm gonna bring you guys along regardless. But yeah, I need to go to the gym because I haven't been going recently. So I asked mum to come watch Esther so I can go to get like a good workout in. I've been doing from home workouts, but they're just not the same. And my equipment is elsewhere at the moment. So hoping to go get some of that back so that I can work out with equipment at home. Because mum life, you know? Time for coffee number 2 of the day. And I'm gonna try and go for the decaf. But like energy, you know what I mean? I don't know, we'll see. Currently out walking. Yeah, it's so beautiful. It's like 25 degrees, which like it's spring but it almost feels like summer weather, which is just amazing. Like I'm so happy about that. The sun just gives me so much more energy. It makes me feel like so happy and motivated. So we're gonna finish our walk and then we are going to go home and clean the car, I think. Stunning walking views as well, just so pretty, apart from the porta potty and the construction.
Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my time. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my time. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Alright, 'cause I'm free. Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my time. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my time. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Alright, 'cause I'm free. Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my time. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my time. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Alright, 'cause I'm free. my charm. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my charm. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright. Alright, 'cause I'm free. I'm freer than I've ever been before. Yeah, baby, I'm free. I'm freer than I've ever been before. Alright, 'cause I'm free. I'm freer than I've ever been before. Yeah, baby, I'm free. I'm freer than I've ever been before.
I'm so glad with how the car came out. It really needed a freshen up, so I'm so happy that I got this done. Now I'm just going to go through the drive-through car wash and finish the cleaning process, and I'll have a nice fresh car. I'm also going to go fill up, so I just feel so prepared for the week ahead now because all of these little bits and pieces are done, and it just makes me so happy when I have done something for myself that I really wanted to do. So I really enjoyed this. It's the next day and I just wanted to wrap this video up. I always like to do like a end to a video and just show my face at the end. But yeah, I really enjoyed yesterday. It was really good. The weather was great. Today's going to be the same, so I am going to film again today. Not sure what I'm going to get up to yet, but the main thing is I'm trying to bring you guys at least 2 videos a week. Sometimes I do 1, sometimes I do 2, but you know, I'm at uni and I have a whole bunch of other stuff going on. So I thank you so much for like being here and watching, regardless of whether it's 2 or 1 videos. And yeah, I'm on holidays at the moment, so the content is much more long, whereas like on the weeks that I'm at uni, I'd probably rather just do like a meal idea and like a shorter kind of video, or like clean the house with me, because that's what I'm doing, giving you guys some cleaning motivation. So they're the types of things like I want to do. But yeah, I always like to show my face at the end of a video and say thank you for watching. So thanks for watching, and I hope that it inspired you to go spring clean your car and do something for yourself. And yeah, enjoy this lovely weather if you're in Australia. If not, enjoy your beautiful autumn, and anywhere else in the world, whatever season you are in, I hope that you are enjoying it and finding something peaceful and, you know, soul nourishing to do for yourself. So anyway, I'll see you later in the week.